Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and my Cocoa Daisy Christmas bonus kit has arrived. So this is a limited edition add-on which was pre-ordered back in, I think it was August, and has now arrived in time for December. So this has got far more Christmas things in it than the normal monthly kit, the Nordic Woods one. Oh my gosh, look at those stamps! Oh my word. Oh, let me show you these. So this is full of lots of goodies, again featuring Lean from LinousPots artwork. And oh my word, look at these stamps. I love the little bird, the little snow flurry. It is so, so adorable. Oh, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, and it looks like these words will fit in the wreath and possibly the bauble as well. I'm gonna have to test that out. Then we have something I'm really excited about. Oh, stickers. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be a lot of squirrel. So then we have, I'm gonna bring you in a little bit more as well, the gorgeous sticker album. Got one of these back in August and I have actually filled it full of my munchkins of all things, but this, I mean, it is such lovely quality. And just let me open this out so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that, so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then the inside, you've got a little flat pocket, and then quite a number of, oh, washi. Not washi, I just knocked the washi and got excited by it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 slots in total, which if you put things back to back means 40 sheets of stickers. And just to give you an idea of what that then looks like, that is my one from August, which is pretty much full. So they are a really nice size. So that is lovely. Then we have, oh, this is adorable. Little felty clip, and the packaging of course is going to get kept. I've actually got plans to try and make a sticker folder from all the packaging because I'm thinking that might be the way forward. So magnetic felt clip embroidered with this cute little Christmas gnome or elf. Gnome, he's a gnome. Definitely a gnome. Elves don't have beards. That's kind of where I'm going with my distinction. So yeah, he's definitely a gnome. Then we have really pretty velvet, red velvet bow and charm as well. So we've got the bow charm and we've got the bow paper clip. Oh, that just needs a little bit of tweaking. That's fine, we shall fluff that. There we go. So that's really pretty, very Christmassy. Oh my gosh. Then stickers, and oh my word, the urge to hoard these is so strong. Oh, they're beautiful. All the Christmas, oh look at this one. All the Christmas things. I have already decided that as soon as I can get it set up, I'm moving into Nordic Woods with a really winter theme. And then for the last probably 2 weeks of December, I'm going to Christmas it out completely. That's how I'm going to do it. I love these bauble strings. They're awesome. They're beautiful. Oh, and the candle. And the trees. Oh, and then it's like a little kind of Christmas bucket list, to-do list type thing. That's so cute. Oh, adorable. I love them. And then some like washi strips, although that one's kind of cut around, so they're really pretty too. Oh wow, so gorgeous. And then the thing that oh my gosh, right, I've got to get into this. I'm so excited about this. This is, I think this might be the surprise item that was mentioned on the listing, because yeah, I don't think washi was on the original listing. I could be wrong, I could be making that up completely, but you know, there you go. In the meantime, I'm just busy about to go, oh my word, because I can see silver hollow foil on this washi, and oh my goodness me, it is beautiful. Oh, Oh, let me try and catch all the colours if I can under the lights and not just let it shade out. There we go. I think I've got some of the rainbowy holographicness there. Yeah, holographicness, new word. That is stunningly beautiful. So beautiful that I'm just gonna put it there and leave it there to admire. Then we have some die cuts. Let's get into these. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty. If you haven't already checked out Lean's shop for the her December sticker releases, do, because they do coordinate with the Cocoa Daisy stuff that she had designed as well. So there we go. So we have a little gnome and he's saying it's the most wonderful time of the year. Okay, let's do this a little bit more sensibly because, yeah, camera and focusing. Oh, my hands are dry today. Never mind. There we have Holly Jolly Merry and a stocking. We have Cookie Coma. That's fab. I love that. Tree. Oh, we've got another one of those little tabs for the top of a bookmark. I like that one. Presents. Let me move these up to there. Oops, I dropped the stocking. Never mind. More presents. Oh, we've got a banner that just says Christmas. Oh, whenever I say Christmas and like as one word, I hear it in oh my gosh, what's the song? You'll know what I mean. I just brain fog right now, can't think. Never mind. Holiday plans. A little candy cane and a bauble. We have another little gnome and he's eating a cookie. Hot chocolate and a bauble. Secret Santa. That'd be nice for like memory keeping type things, won't it? And like a kind of bow and some decorations, and I got some tabs for baking, gift list and traditions. Oh, I like those. Those will be really nice. So it's quite nice because they're not really all planner related, the contents of the kit. It's also memory keeping as well, which is just perfect. So then we've got some note cards. So 3x4. Do I mean 3x4? Do I mean 3x2? I have no idea. I think I mean 3x4. Anyway, I'm in proper. Oh, I'm just so excited to get my hands on it. So we've got Mr. Gnome and he's wrapping presents under the tree and blank on the back, so you could use those to tip in for journaling. That one's down, there we go. So we've got the baubles and then Holly Jolly Christmas and the bow above. That's really pretty. And oh my gosh, okay, I have got to get a blank piece of paper. Just hold on, because this acetate. Oh, that's not blank, that's not blank. I need something blank. What have I got? Right, grabbed a dashboard. I have something blank because this. Oh, look at that. And it says deck the halls. That is stunning. Oh, I'm looking at it and going, which bit am I going to sacrifice for a B6 or a personal size partner? Gonna have to work out how to make that work. But work it will. It will work. I will come up with something for it. But that is, oh, that is just beautiful. Oh, either that, I'm just going to frame it and have it as a decoration for the month. Then we have some silver foiled vellum that says the most wonderful time. Isn't that pretty over that? Oh, I love the foil. And then we have some papers, and I seem to have two sets. I'm not sure if that was intentional or if that's a packing mistake, but I'll put one to one side and show you what I've got. So it's the usual folded papers, double-sided, so you can wrap them around a dory or you can chop them in half to use, or as you wish. So we've got the baubles. Oh, that's lovely, in the snowy scene with green plaid on the back. We've got the gnomes. Oh, I love that. And oh, I love that one too. Oh, that is just so pretty. I know we have Christmas trees and kind of candy stripes. Oh, I think I'm going to be hard pressed with these to choose what my favourite is. They're so pretty. Oh, I love that one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And now I'm going to start putting things over each other and seeing what it looks like and messing about. No, I'm going to play later. So there you go. That is the Cocoa Daisy Christmas add-on bonus kit thing. Can't remember what proper name it was given because I'm distracted by loveliness. Yeah, oh, that hollow though, the rainbow holographicness on here. Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. If you've not already seen my ridiculously effusive and excited unboxing of the December collections, do go and check that out on my channel. I'll also leave a link down to Lean's shop in the description down below, so that if you perhaps haven't got any of the Cocoa Daisy things, and you know her things aren't going to be exactly the same obviously, but they are going to coordinate and be all in this beautiful, whimsical, gorgeous style. So yeah, head on over there and show her some love, because she is incredibly talented. And yeah, I'm just best Christmas stuff ever. Until next time, lovely people, take care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.